Quantum physics is a branch of science that studies the behavior of very small particles, such as electrons, photons, and atoms. These particles make up every object in our world, from ourselves to the things around us. Therefore, it is no exaggeration to say that quantum physics is the most important science when it comes to understanding the structure of any material. At the same time, quantum physics is very difficult to understand. It seems like an incredible science. All our intuition and logic break down here. Unlike classical physics, which describes well the motion of large objects, cars, planets, and balls, quantum physics shows that completely different rules operate in the microscopic world. Quantum physics changes our perception of reality by showing that, at the microscopic level, reality is not deterministic or absolute. It is full of probabilities, uncertainties, and connections that go beyond everyday experience. This expands our understanding of nature and forces us to rethink concepts of time, space, and causality. The main differences between quantum physics and classical physics can be summarized as follows. In classical physics, objects are seen as particles with definite positions and velocities. In quantum physics, particles exhibit dual nature. They can behave both as particles and as waves simultaneously. Classical physics predicts the exact position and speed of an object at any given time. Quantum physics only estimates the probability of finding a particle in a particular place, and exact knowledge is impossible. This is expressed in the famous uncertainty principle. It is impossible to simultaneously measure a particle's position and momentum, speed, mass, and direction exactly. Classical physics has no such limitations. Particles can exist in multiple states at once. This phenomenon is called superposition. In classical physics, an object exists in one definite state. Particles can be connected such that changing the state of one instantly affects another, regardless of the distance between them. Classical physics does not allow for such instantaneous connections. In quantum physics, particle energies are discrete. There is a specific set of allowed energy states. Classical physics permits a continuous range of energies. This is hard to grasp because the quantum world is very different from our usual experience. We are used to seeing objects as clear and definite, whereas in quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time and behave unpredictably. Moreover, many quantum phenomena contradict the intuition and common sense formed from the macroscopic world. But by understanding these key differences we discussed in the video, you will learn to navigate the quantum world better.